Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a 3D layered gnome out of cardstock using your CRICUT. So let's make it! For this project I choose this cute layered gnome cause the Christmas is coming and we should be prepared. So the first step is go to the svgocean and find this one. I will also leave a link to this SVG in the description below. Download this file and open it in a CRICUT design space. As for the material you will need double-sided or plain colored cardboard, glue stick, CRICUT weeding tools and scissors. Just as simple as that. Cut out each piece on a separate colored cardstock. Remember to take out your mat from the decal in order not to scratch or damage it. Remove the excess from the mat. Repeat this step with every layer. Now that all of our layers are cut out, join them by gluing them. Carefully match the edges of each layer. Press each layer a little to achieve the effect of a textured surface. When everything is ready, you can leave your project under pressure to make your cardboard hold together. That's all! A beautiful Christmas gnome is ready in less than 10 minutes. You can make such decoration for yourself or to please your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumb up if you like this video. See you in the next project. Bye!